Yaya time. Yaya time. What you say? Yaya time. Yaya time. Okay, yaya time.
Good morning, my peeps. How are you guys? Happy Sunday. We are so sorry we missed y'all yesterday, but we'll tell you about what we did yesterday. If you're new to the show, we welcome you. If you're returning, we thank you so much for returning, coming back to see us. If you haven't already, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button. And once you hit the subscribe button, make sure you hit the notification bell.
That way you're going to be notified when Yaya gets that new video out for you.
Absolutely. So we're at a new location today. We're out here at the beach. We'll try to flip it around here in a little bit once we get some bites in. We're just doing a quick little eat with you. Wanted to come and see you guys. So let's get our prayer in. Tell you what we're going to snack on here. And then we'll chit chat for a few minutes with you.
All right. Now you hear it, y'all.
Amen. Happy Sunday, y'all. How's everybody doing?
Hope you're doing good today, Sunday.
Yeah. It's kind of overcast out here right now. We had a wonderful day yesterday. It was 81 degrees here in southern Florida. Can you believe? Yes, absolutely. But yeah, you can't flip this around so they can see the water, can you?
I can't do it while we're videoing.
Oh, okay. Well, splice it together? Yeah. Okay. Well, we'll do that here shortly. But you can hear the waves, can't you? There's some young lady that's out there in the water. Oh, so we're doing McDonald's today, y'all. Something quick. Thank you. What'd you get me?
Breakfast burrito, like
a breakfast burrito.
And the hash brown.
So as you can see, I have a sweatshirt on, but man, I think they make them smaller. They used to be bigger.
They used to be bigger. Now look how small it is. Look at that.
Dang, Gina.
Just enough for maybe 1-2 bites. And that's it.
Breakfast burrito. It's a little snack this morning. But I was saying, yeah, I have a sweatshirt on, but I am kind of warm. So it's not a big breeze going on. Quite a few people are out this morning. Yeah. Oh, got me a hash brown. I like McDonald's hash browns. Know it.
The water was up a little further last time we was here.
Yesterday we went. I don't remember, or can't remember really how to pronounce that town, but it's probably 15 minutes outside of Daytona, headed south.
Towards Miami.
Yeah.
Orlando.
We went to a boat parade, lights. So that was fun. They only had about, 60
something
boats, but it was quite a few people out there. Riverside Park. So we got out and about, and that was nice to go somewhere different. We didn't get back in until a little late.
It was fun though. I enjoyed it.
Yeah, we had a nice time. It's about an hour from where we live at. We got big waves out here today.
So while y'all clicking, don't forget to give her a like.
Thumbs up the video, you guys.
Share.
And make sure you share out my video, or our video.
Subscribe.
And most definitely subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can come back and see us.
That way you're going to be notified when she puts out the next video for you.
Absolutely. So what y'all been up to? What y'all do yesterday? Did y'all get out and about? Y'all still out there in them stores? Uh-oh. Getting it all together? Let us know. We nosy like that. Want to know what y'all doing? Did you guys go to any light shows or anything? There was some beautiful boats out there. There was this one guy. Tell him about that one guy too. But they turned the light.
He was partying. He had his beer or whatever glass in the air, just dancing at the front of the boat.
And they had the little spotlight thing on him. But I guess he was partying too hard. So
And then the next thing you know, the light went off on him. I'm like, oh, they didn't shut the light off on him. They're like, oh, man, you doing too much.
we could hear from the store, yeah. They had their music going. They was rocking out. Morning. But yeah.
He was kicking it a little too much.
I guess. There was a lot of kids out there running around and stuff, so it was fun to watch.
And then he turned around, he was talking, he like, turn the light back on. They're like, nope, you're done.
Yeah, they shut him down out there. Well, they had a few yachts out there. They were well decorated.
People was fishing out there.
Mm-hmm.
It was a fun time.
So check in your areas if y'all got any light shows going on. I know in Washington, there's a Six Flags there, and then at some of the zoos, they have they decorate and everything and all the lights and stuff, and you can go walk through those parks and stuff like that. So we miss not having Jer and Jasmine. We always make sure we did things.
Yep, that was fun. That was fun. But yeah, Pete, 10-day chat, 10-day, what'd you call it?
10 habits to make every day a happy day.
Happy day. 10 habits. Hope you guys use some of those habits. And we'll come up with another one.
Uh-huh. It's all about positive reinforcement, y'all. We're living in a really rough time. Oh, our thoughts and prayers go out to Kentucky.
People down there in that tornado that strung across 5 states.
And I think it said something like there was about 22 tornadoes.
Yeah, but one of them was the biggest one, an F5, the biggest tornado that there is. And that's total devastation and destruction. F5.
And then that candle factory.
Yep, that's one. It got hit with the F5 tornado. That tornado spanned a mile wide. F5 tornado spanned a mile wide. So just think a mile, and it's a tornado that big. Total devastation, destruction.
So those people in your thoughts, you guys. We never know. It doesn't matter where you live at, what state you're in.
It can happen. Anything can
Yeah,
happen.
anything can happen. So my thoughts with them. Well, what I want to do is we're gonna get this flipped around, show you guys a few minutes of the beach out here, and
We'll be signing off.
we'll be signing off.
But we'll be signing off with you guys looking at the waves crashing in.
So until next time, deuces. What time is it? Yaya see it?
Yeah, I did. Yaya us in. I'm going to yaya us out.
Oh, somebody left a comment, y'all. The lady said, and I'm sorry that I don't remember the names. I gotta do better. She said her son, I think it was her son or grandchild, but I think it was her son. She said he really liked when he said the intro is Yaya's time. And we have some other friends, and her daughters, oh yeah, that was the catchy thing that got them. My number one fans. It's Yaya's time. It's Yaya's time. She said she was so sick and tired of hearing them sing that. So, you guys have a wonderful Sunday.
And we'll see you here in a second with the water, showing you guys the water side. And I'll yaya us out with that on that note.
Okay, deuces, y'all.
And with that, y'all, it's Yaya's time. Yaya time. What you say? Yaya time. Yaya time. Okay, Yaya time. Enjoy your Sunday, y'all.
Deuces.